has the benefit of allowing you to work on speed, work on developing force. This comes by moving as fast as possible. When we move heavier weights, we invariably slow down over the course of those sets. With dynamic effort training, we are moving fast for all of those sets. So we have benefits as far as work capacity. We have benefits as far as tapping into type 2 muscle fibers. We have benefits as far as improving rate of force development. We have benefits as far as conditioning. You're doing a lot of sets with not as much rest. Your movement patterns, which is a non-negotiable thing in any of my training. So this is a method that allows us to do all of those great things and put us in a position where now we're not just lifting heavy, we're more diverse, we're a more fine-tuned machine. We lift heavy some days, we lift fast some days, so it allows you to stay athletic. I cannot tell you guys how many times I am caught just sprinting or trying to rescue one of my kids from falling or whatever the case may be. I utilize my athletic ability as much now as I did when I was in my 30s. And I think that anyone that thinks that they don't need this because they're not an athlete anymore, they need to be educated on why they do need it. Everyone can benefit from this style of training. So dynamic effort training is you taking that barbell, just like we talked about for all those great methods. You're doing that front squat, but instead of working on achieving the heavy load, we're taking that one light load and we are moving it as fast as possible across those sets. 3 to 5 reps as fast as possible. Box squatting with moving, accelerating through the bar on every single set. So the intent here is on speed and movement quality, not as much on loading. So we're gonna take one weight and we're gonna use it across a lot of sets. So for most cases when we program this, we're gonna be doing somewhere around 6 to 10 sets of anywhere from 2 to 5 reps. And the percentage that we're gonna be using is going to be light. Now, a lot of times I say anywhere from 40 to 50% of your 1 rep max, and then maybe you're using some band or chain. I know a lot of people don't have bands or chains, but the main thing here is, guys, don't worry about the percentage or don't worry about using bands or chains. Worry about your speed, how efficiently you can move across those repetitions. If you find yourself grinding, which is what most people usually do when they're new to this, go down and wait. Remove your ego, go down and wait, and move faster. You will get more from this if you move fast as opposed to not moving fast and kind of grinding through those reps. So a really classic way to plug this in will be something like 8 sets of 3 with a squat pattern or a bench press pattern, and doing that every 60 to 90 seconds. We're knocking out a set of 3 and with the intent of moving as fast as possible. All right, guys, just to recap, we talked about 4 methods to improve strength, to improve your ability to move with your bilateral lifts, your squat, your presses, your deadlifts.